Silicon Vision qualification match 2 in 3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, 30-second auto and teams are off. We've got the biobots going for that high sample drop-off. Looks like Warriors are stationary for this one. That's alright, we'll see what they got to show in Tele. Hyperion going for those specimens, while Leviathan are also going for those high sample drop-offs. We've got 3 seconds left in the auto.
Okay, intake 1 first. Intake
3, 2, 1. Alright, we are now in Tele with red in the lead. And Robo Warriors are going for that sample drop-off. Hyperion's got those specimens ready to collect. And Leviathan and Biobot are competing for those high sample drop-offs.
Forward back. Go back.
Alright, we are neck and neck with blue and red at 72. Let's see who can make a lead in this one. It looks like Biobot is really grinding out those high basket scores. And Redline is really focusing on those baskets. We've got 9.
Not going straight, Michael. What?
But they still need to make those blue lines. Who had just got 1 specimen on their high chamber.
Why is it so low?
We've got blue in the lead now, but red is still, keeping a neck and neck.
I'm spamming X right now.
We've got 2 specimens on the blue
I
side.
forgot to intake.
Nice.
Is this battery or is this like just us throwing?
Yeah, keep going out.
Why does it sound so weird when I intake, bro? I'll get this one.
Alright, we're now in the ending portion of the match. 20 seconds left to go. All teams are still scoring, but it looks like Leviathan is punching on that.
Just like
You're too good at
Biobots are filling up their high basket. They've got 1 in the net zone. They're really cranking out those high baskets. We're at 3, 2,